When a child is in crisis, every minute counts. Until now, many Canyon County families had nowhere to turn, but a new center in Nampa is changing that, offering immediate help to youth in their darkest moments. Jude Binkley, you got a look at the new Western Idaho Youth Support Center.
Well, Hunter, while crisis can look very different depending on the circumstance, this center knows that no matter what, immediate and free support is crucial when helping a child in crisis. For years, doors were closed to Idaho's youth in crisis.
Previous to the youth crisis centers coming to Idaho, there was really no designated place for youth to go in crisis.
But a new center is opening opportunities to get kids the help they desperately need.
We do not define crisis for the individual. The individual defines that crisis for us, and then we provide tailored care to them.
Project manager Cass Waldron says Nampa's new Western Idaho Youth Support Center provides free care and resources to kids in crisis.
The goal of youth crisis centers are, one, to de-escalate youth from the immediate crisis that they're experiencing, but also to provide them with resources for when they leave, so that we can hopefully prevent crises in the future.
When they walk in, the first person that they're going to meet is the person at the front desk. Then we're going to get an understanding of why they're here and get admittance so that we can go through and have them meet the team to get assessment and understand what we can do for them.
Inside the center, a pathway to peace takes shape for kids aged 5 to 17 as a multidisciplinary team guides them from chaos to clarity.
The intake process is essentially informational only, just getting that basic of why they're here and why the guardian has brought them here. What situation are we dealing with today? What is their crisis today?
Program manager Abigail Hackett knows that every person who walks through their doors is unique and every solution must be too.
That behavioral health assessment gives us a full picture of what we're dealing with, whether it be resources or any other that the kiddo needs at that time with their guardian.
A process they hope diverts kids from other systems, catching them before they fall through the cracks.
We want to be able to have that in between, kind of that gap, before they end up going immediately to the ER or immediately to law enforcement or 911 care.
A lifeline for young people drowning in their darkest moments, with resources like a place to rest and distance themselves from trauma.
We also have the internal resources, the services that we can provide here as they are looking for respite and a place to de-escalate.
Where hope replaces helplessness.
We can demonstrate by the lives we've touched and the people that come in tell us, like, this service saved my life, right? Because they're saying, I would have caused harm to myself, I would have hurt other people, I would have ended up in the hospital, I would have ended up anywhere else if it weren't for this service.
And the center opened up a temporary location in January 2024, and in their first year saw more than 180 appointments. Now, Hunter, this new location has more space and can serve a broader age range. It is located on East Hawaii Avenue. That's pretty close to Nampa High School.
I mean, how incredible is that? 180 appointments, and now they're able to just expand from there. Thank you, Jude.